Oh, this vlog is all about how she's getting married in 2019. And she did a matchmaking thing. It was a whole thing, sidewalk. Salam guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Giselle just got to work. It's 5 o'clock. Giselle is at the garment district all day today looking for a ton of stuff.
Yeah, just crazy.
So you guys know, oftentimes I'll wear these solid chiffon one-offs that we got months ago, years ago, and never found that color again because I was working with the market that I had in Dubai, and a lot of times these one-off colors never came back. So what we're doing is we're taking a lot of these colors that I have in my closet basically and matching them with colors that we find in the garment district here so that we can then get these made to the color specs that we want.
Yeah, some options are even better than things that we've carried before, so it's kind of exciting.
It is very exciting.
Freshen up our neutral palette.
Yeah. This whole palette, all in here, is where I live. This is where I live, right here.
Beautiful.
This is amazing too. I love these like darker, silvery, frostier. These are all really pretty. What happened? What happened? Oh my gosh, tell me what happened. Mahmoud, how did you find out?
I was just sitting over there checking out what Settle was doing, and then suddenly I see...
He's interrupting my workflow.
That.
That's so messed up.
Yo, it's so funny that he saw it unintentionally.
This is literally the funniest thing. I can't get over it. Wait, scroll up.
There's a little something.
Look how cute we all look. Check out the solid chiffons coming on Tuesday. So literally this Tuesday, all these colors and the gorgeous neutrals. Oh my gosh. Alice had these signs around her desk today that said, let's go look at them. Don't talk to me unless it's urgent. Look, there's 4 of them.
No way, really?
I'm thinking, please don't interrupt unless it's urgent. Who put the Christmas stickers? Of course Giselle did. Extremely. Why are there 4 of them? It's so aggressive. I came in the office and Giselle couldn't handle herself. I can't stand it, Nisa.
Can I show them?
Yes.
Look at these glitter pants. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. We need some Kira on here.
We do need Kira. I'm also wearing
great.
a vintage hijab.
Yes.
From high school. So these are one of my like vintage, the whole story goes, I have 2 crappy hijabs.
Yes.
I started vintage hijabbing. So this is one of them I kept from all those years ago because I love it. The only thing though is it's so thick.
Yeah.
I kind of can't hear.
Oh no.
And we're going to solve that problem for you guys with our next huge launch.
Woo.
Giselle doesn't like to talk about it. She's probably upset that you brought anything up.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Womp womp womp. Giselle basically just broke it off with the guy she's been talking to forever. In case you didn't know, Giselle's not married. So, yeah. So, I've made it my mission. Well, here's what happened. We're in the car. She's telling me all about it. And I'm kind of asking her, like, well, where did you guys even meet? And she tells me on these online Muslim dating apps. And I'm like, what are these? So she shows me Muzzmatch.
Muzzmatch and Minder, you know.
Oh my God.
That's where it's at.
What's this world you live in? I was shocked. I was shocked. Not about the fact that they exist, but just the pool that you have to choose from.
Yeah, it's tough.
Basically, literally, I wish that we could get out your phone and you can show them what you showed me. So like you have these people, these guys who have already swiped right for you, they like you already. And no disrespect to these guys, but I was just like, Giselle, in a million years, you would never talk to any of these dudes. Like,
no, but desperate times, you know, desperate measures.
And when Giselle unfortunately had broke it off, or whatever happened with the 2 of you, maybe he broke it off. I don't really know the details.
Doesn't matter.
When that happened, Giselle was really sad because she's like, she just given up hope that she'd even like get married. And I'm like, Giselle, hello, there's so many guys out there. Like, this is great. You're one step closer to finding your nasib and getting married.
So insha'Allah, it's crazy.
Are you picky? Is that your problem? Look at Ahmed in the background. He's trying to live. He just wants to live his life.
Rummaging. I don't know that I'm picky. I feel like maybe I once was, like 10 years ago, but like the lack of options or meeting like normal people has really kind of brought it down. Yeah.
So what are your top 3 most important traits then?
Practicing Muslim, very important.
Okay. When you say practicing Muslim, what does that mean?
Means prays 5 times a day, fasts. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, I'm clearly not perfect, no one's perfect here, but just wants to be better. You know, I definitely strive to be better in my deen with each passing year, and I feel like I would like to have the same kind of goals. So, okay, so there's that. Just like some medium level of physical attractiveness. You know, I'm not asking for much, just kind of like take care of yourself, shower on the reg, and maybe trim your hair when it gets a little scrappy. Like, you know, that's all. It's really not that crazy. And then kindness is huge. Just being very kind and patient and understanding and tolerant is a big one. And then I just have to add a 4th, and that's just educated, you know, just cares about, you know, maybe they're not, just ambitious. So maybe they haven't like made it, but they have big dreams and big goals, and they've taken all the steps to kind of reach that goal. So education and just trying to better oneself and learn more is just really a big one for me. And that's it. I think it's pretty basic. It's pretty standard stuff. It's nothing crazy.
Okay. That's totally reasonable.
Yeah.
This is so easy. We're gonna get you married in like half a second.
It's the same standards that I hold myself to, is really just what I look for in a partner and an equal, you know, so it's nothing nuts.
Yeah. I got at home and I literally play professional matchmaker. I called all the people I know who know somebody. Literally all of Michigan is on it. You literally have all of Michigan on it.
Yes!
All of Michigan is on it. I made it my goal that in 2019, Giselle's gonna get married.
Insha'Allah.
I was just,
guys.
if not married, you'll like have set a wedding date.
Insha'Allah.
That's my goal. So I reached out to my friend Huda, who, if you guys are OG, you'll know that we used to have it girls back in the day. She's a former it girl, Huda. You guys may remember. And this is crazy. I knew she was doing some matchmaking thing. I did not realize it's legit. What's Hoodie and matchmaking.com. We're about to learn more, Giselle. Are you excited for this?
This seems very legit, so let's see.
All right.
Step 1.
Sign up.
Today.
After sign up, a 30-minute video chat via Google Hangout is scheduled for us to get to know each other and for me to understand what you're looking for. This will include me asking specific questions as well as asking me anything you wish to know. $40 per person. That's reasonable.
Yeah, that's really even pay that.
Step 2, search and match. Then she'll basically go through your answers and then match you with somebody. She only charges a fee when both parties have agreed to get connected.
Oh, wow.
Marriage. Step 3. This is as easy as 1, 2, 3, G. In 3 steps, you're just gonna get married. There you go.
And you owe her a little fee. Which,
wait, no. Oh my gosh, so you have to pay her
if you get married.
That's crazy.
But not unreasonable. Hey, I'd pay $1,000 today.
That's kind of nuts. I guess, like you said, desperate times.
It's been a struggle. Honestly, if you think you can find the right person, I will definitely pay you $1,000.
Literally a project of 2019. We'll keep you guys updated. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited for this. We're literally gonna find you a husband, inshallah. This is gonna be the best.
Inshallah, it's be crazy.
Okay, first off, we've made so much progress since last night with Giselle getting married.
It's like a real prospect. This is crazy.
I had a phone call from my best friend. I told you, I have all of Michigan on this. Best friend gives me a 911 call this morning. I pick up, Giselle's in the bathroom. I run to the stall. Giselle! I had to, this is so important. I put my best friend on speaker and my best friend is like, Giselle! There's a man who thinks you're beautiful!
Oh my goodness.
And he wants to meet you now! Also, he went to Cornell, which is where Giselle went.
I know! That's so cool. I love that.
Perfect. And he lives in New York.
what are the chances?
So Giselle doesn't have to leave us.
Exactly, I could just stay. It's
Yeah.
just great all around.
You're excited for Giselle getting married?
Yeah, of course.
I'm already planning my outfit.
Oh my god.
I already know what I'm wearing to your wedding.
You all have to wear just like top to bottom glitter.
Oh my god, are you
that is
serious?
even Ahmed.
Yeah.
Glitter bow tie.
Yes.
Like, it just has to be.
Your wedding is going to be so lit.
You just dressed me for
To be continued. To be continued. Giselle's love life. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. We'll see you next week. Bye.